Hello, this is a short walkthrough for installing Microsoft Outlook on your Android device. The Outlook app makes checking your student email very easy and convenient. Also, Outlook notifications help you stay up to date with your classes and instructors. Let's get into the walkthrough. First, open your phone to the home screen and tap the Google Play icon. You may need to search your apps to find the Google Play app. Once in the Google Play app, tap the search bar and type Outlook. Now tap Install on the Outlook app and it will begin to download. Once installed, press Open. Next, in the Outlook app, tap the Add Account option and enter your ASU-Beebe student email. Typically, student email usernames are firstname.lastname@asub.edu. Once entered, tap Continue or press Enter on your keyboard. Now, we are prompted to enter the account password. Type in your password and press Sign In. Next, verify your login with Duo. I'm going to tap Send Me a Push. Once the notification pops up, I'm going to tap View Action and select Approve. If you need help setting up your Duo multi-factor authentication, please refer to our Duo setup video walkthrough. It is linked in the description. On the next menu, you can choose to add another account. For now, we're going to select Maybe Later. Now, Outlook is giving us a short introduction to the app. Tap the arrow to proceed to the slides. Alright, we are in the ASU-Beebe student email. Your emails will display on this page. But here's a quick overview of some of the features of Outlook. You can tap Filter to sort which emails are displayed in your inbox. Personally, the unread filter can be very helpful. Tap the Account button in the top left to bring up more options. Here on this menu, you can view your sent emails and drafts. The bell at the top center right can adjust your notifications. And lastly, the gear in the bottom left of the page is the settings page. Tap the magnifying glass to text search your emails, and the icon with the date is your calendar. Alright, I think this covers most aspects of the Outlook mobile app. Thank you for watching.